Okay, next. So in case of autotrophic nutrition, organism can produce their food by themselves. So here the process by which they produce the food, this is photosynthesis. So photo means light. Okay, photo means light. Okay, photo means light, and synthesis means to prepare. So in the presence of light, the preparation of food which is in the presence of light is called photosynthesis. So in this process we know that plant take carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and water from the ground or soil. By the help of sunlight and chlorophyll, they produce carbohydrates. So those materials which are taken in the form of carbon dioxide, water, to which converted into carbohydrates in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. Carbohydrates are utilized for providing energy to the plant. So carbohydrate is the nutrient which is utilized to provide energy to plant as well as animals. So photosynthesis is only the way of making food, which is the only source of food in all the organisms. So here the plants as well as animals who are dependent on plants, those go get energy by the product of the photosynthesis. Okay, so here we can see that carbon dioxide and water is required to make a carbohydrate in the process of photosynthesis, which requires sunlight and chlorophyll. Okay, chlorophyll is present inside the cell of the plant, green plants. So green parts of plant contain the cell of the green part of the plant contains chloroplast. This chloroplast contains green pigment. These are called the chlorophyll. Okay, so this chlorophyll and sunlight is required to make carbohydrate by the process of photosynthesis. Okay, so plant utilize this carbohydrate to get energy, and not all the carbohydrates are utilized immediately. So these the excess amount of carbohydrate is stored in the form of starch in the plant parts, maybe root, maybe stem, or maybe in leaves. So plant store the excess amount of carbohydrate in the form of starch in their body, and they use this starch when they do not cannot provide produce food. The photosynthesis rate is slow down. This time the production of the carbohydrate becomes lower, so that's why they can use this starch for future use. Now in case of animal, we take this carbohydrate from the plant, and this carbohydrate is in the form of glucose, is absorbed into our body. We will discuss later section. And the excess amount of this carbohydrate is that we eat, it is stored in the form of glycogen in the liver. Okay, in liver. So now this is the equation of photosynthesis. So before we are going to discuss about the photosynthesis, the equation of photosynthesis, we have to know that there are some processes occur during photosynthesis. Here the two reactions are occurred. One is the light reaction, another is the dark reaction. Light reaction is which is called light dependent reaction, which is occurred in the grana of the chloroplast. You know that you have studied in class 9 that chloroplast contains some parts. Chloroplast has some parts which is grana and stroma. So grana, inside the grana, thylakoid is present. This inside thylakoid chlorophyll is present. So that's why the light reaction occur in grana of the chloroplast, and it requires light. So that's why this is light reaction. And another is the dark reaction. But dark reaction, the word of this dark reaction is totally misleading, because it does not occur during the dark. It is actually the light independent reaction, which is occurred in the stroma of the chloroplast. So it is the dark reaction is light independent reaction, which is occurred in stroma of the chloroplast, and light reaction, which is light dependent reaction, which is occurred in the grana of the chloroplast. So there are some sequential events which occur during the photosynthesis. So first thing is that first process, absorption of light energy by the chlorophyll molecules. So chlorophyll molecules absorb the sunlight, and this light energy is absorbed by the chlorophyll, and by absorbing this light energy, this chlorophyll molecules excites, and for this they convert this light energy to chemical energy, and splitting of water molecules into hydrogen and oxygen. So plant take the water from the ground. This water molecule is broken down into hydrogen and oxygen by this light energy, which is absorbed by the chlorophyll molecule. So chlorophyll molecules absorb the sunlight, the light energy, which is converted to chemical energy, and which helps to breaks the water molecule into hydrogen and oxygen. And these two processes occur in the light reaction. These are the events of light reaction. The third, the reduction of carbon dioxide to carbohydrate. So here the carbon dioxide which is taken by plants through their stomata, and this carbon dioxide is reduced to produce carbohydrate, which is a part of the dark reaction, and which is occurred during the daytime, not night, during the daytime, but inside the stroma of the chloroplast. So here is the chemical reaction which is occurred during photosynthesis. Here the carbon dioxide is taken. Okay. Carbon dioxide is taken, H2O is taken from the outside. So 6 molecules of carbon dioxide and 12 molecules of H2O is required to produce 1 molecule of glucose. 1 molecule of glucose by the help of chlorophyll molecule and sunlight. So 6 molecules of carbon dioxide and 12 molecules of H2O is required to produce 1 molecule of glucose by the help of chlorophyll and sunlight. Here 2 byproducts are produced, the oxygen and H2O. So here the 6 molecules of oxygen is released into the atmosphere, and the 6 molecules of H2O is produced during this photosynthesis process. This oxygen which we take. But here, what is the source of this oxygen and H2O? The source of the oxygen, here the 6 molecules of carbon dioxide is taken, and 6 molecules of oxygen is produced during photosynthesis. But that does not mean that the carbon dioxide is the source of oxygen. Here the source of oxygen is H2O. So water is the source of oxygen in photosynthesis, and carbon dioxide is the source of H2O in the photosynthesis. So here this is the equation where the 6 molecules of carbon dioxide and 12 molecules of H2O is required to produce 1 molecule of glucose, 6 molecules of O2, and 6 molecules of H2O in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll.